As a responsibly armed American, you may have wondered or asked yourself the question, what am I supposed to tell the 911 operator if, God forbid, I've ever been involved in a self-defense shoot? Let me give you a few tips as a former state prosecutor turned firearm attorney. You want to make sure that, number one, you identify yourself clearly as the victim. If you don't, it may be difficult to survive that initial police encounter when they show up and they see you possibly holding a firearm. Number two, you need to make it very clear about the fact that this was the person who attacked me, and if they escaped, what's their direction of travel? Are they armed? Are they not armed? Number three, you need to make it absolutely positive about the fact that you're going to be following police instructions. If the police arrive at the scene, you need to survive that next encounter. So if they tell you to go on the ground, my suggestion is get on the ground. Number four, if there's any major pieces of evidence, such as the fact that you were attacked in your garage and that the bad guy used a screwdriver, which is now on the floor, you may want to mention that to the 911 operator just to make it clear that if you're not around because you're taken into custody and you're no longer at the scene, that 911 operator at least has a record of the fact that, look, this was the weapon that was used to attack me. So keep these things in mind when you're making that call, when you're pressing that number 911 into your phone. This could be the difference between not only surviving the next encounter with law enforcement, but also surviving the next encounter with the prosecutor.